G'day. Well, it should probably go without saying that you should always press stop when recording before you turn your drone off. But anyhow, here I am saying that, and the reason I'm back down here today is because yesterday I got some footage in 2.7K on the DJI MINI SE, but then I landed the drone and turned off the controller before I pressed stop on the record, and what happened was I lost the recording. I corrupted the file. It was unusable. So anyway, I've just come back down here again now to get the 2.7K footage and see what it looks like. And while I'm here, I may as well share it with you. So let's see how we go. Okay, so I want to set it into 2.7K. The option I've got is 25 frames per second. Alright, so it's quite a lot windier down here today, but let's just see if we can get some footage here in the 2.7K and see how it looks. For this shot, I want to try and race it towards me and then spin it as it goes past. Well, did that even work? I don't know why it went up. Let's try that again. Whoa! Okay, not quite. Whoops, turned the wrong way. Okay, let's do it. I think it was good. Okay, I'm right up here, guys. So long as I can shoot for the right spot. Well, you certainly got a way of arriving. I'll give you that much. All right, that's about us. Safe as houses. Hey, I want to try something while I'm here.
Take off. The whole plane has been updated.
Too easy. Well, there we have it, the 2.7K footage and a bit of playing around again as well. And not only that, but this time I remembered to press stop when recording. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.